Page 271, number 23. Find the logistic model that satisfies the given conditions. We have initial value of 10, our limit to growth is 40, and the function passes through the point 1, 20. So what we're going to do is we have to start with the basics of logistic function from section 3.1. We have y equals c over 1 plus a times b to the x power. So what we want to do is find a, b, and c. Well, c is the easiest one to find since c is 40. C is defined as the limit to growth, so we can fill in 40 for C. Then what we can do is use the two pieces of information to give us the A and the B. So the first one we can find is A, since it tells us the initial value is 10. So that is our y-intercept. So at this point we know when x is 0, y is 10. So we can fill those in the equation. So we have y equals 40 over 1 plus a times b to the 0 power. So you can see why we found a first, because b to the 0 will be 1. So what we have is 10 equals 40 over 1 plus a. And now we can solve this for a. So what we get is that 1 plus a equals 40 over 10, or 1 plus a equals 4. So a equals, whoops, that shouldn't be there, a equals 3. So now we have a. So what we can do is we have that part of our function. So y is going to equal 40 over 1 plus 3 times b to the x power. So now we can use the last piece of data we're given, which is that the function passes through the point 1, 20. So we can substitute 1 for x and 20 for y. So we get 20 equals 40 over 1 plus 3 times b to the first power. And we just have to solve this for b. So cross multiplying, we get 1 plus 3b equals 40 over 20, which is 2. So 1 plus 3b equals 2. When you solve this, you get b equals 1/3. So our function, now that we have a, b, and c, is going to be y equals 40 over 1 plus 3 times 1/3 to the x power. And that's our logistics function.